So what products do I use? Autoglym ceramic spray, autoglym bodywork shampoo, autoglym super resin polish, autoglym leather balm or conditioner, autoglym fast glass. That one is autoglym tire dressing, autoglym silicone free sheen, autoglym clean wheels, autoglym tar and glue remover, autoglym aqua wax. This one is autoglym auto fresh. This one is active bug remover. As you can see there, it's the silicone free sheen. This is autoglym clean all, tire dressing there, silicone free spray, autoglym hyper fresh, autoglym glass cleaner, autoglym plastic trim conditioner, more hyper fresh, black dye, don't use it much, autoglym glass polish, it's the snow foam. Back here that is more auto fresh concentrate, autoglym metal polish, and some more over the back is the fabric hood cleaner and sealer, and then in here is the autoglym pro paint, just to name a few. So it's generally all of mostly the autoglym range. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.